Have you ever felt lost while tackling TOEFL reading questions? Don't worry, you're not alone. Matching information questions can be tricky. But today, I'll share a proven hack to help you master them. In TOEFL reading, you'll encounter different question types. One type is the matching information questions. These questions test your ability to relate a passage's information to various statements. Let's break down how to approach them effectively. First, read the passage thoroughly. Get a sense of the overall message. This step is crucial. You need to understand the context before matching. Next, identify the key points of each paragraph. Usually, the main idea and supporting details stand out. Take notes or highlight them. Now, look at the statements provided in the questions. Note any keywords that might help you pinpoint the matching information. Keywords are your friends in this process. Go back to the passage. Find sections related to the keywords. Read those parts carefully to see how they connect. Once you find potential matches, double-check. Ensure the information is accurate and directly related to the statement. This final confirmation prevents errors. As an example, let's consider a passage about renewable energy. If a statement mentions solar power, look for sections discussing solar technologies or benefits. Using this technique will improve your accuracy and speed. By mastering matching information questions, you'll gain confidence in tackling TOEFL reading. These steps will make you proficient in handling these tricky questions. If you found this video helpful, take your preparation further. Check out the Transform Academy course linked in the description below. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips.